Hello everyone, welcome to another video by the Ancient Trader. Today is the 3rd of August and the market today is in a very consolidation mode. As you can see that the markets are around only around 0.07% and the bank nifty is also around the same point. As you saw that the market rose considerably higher from 16,500 to roughly around 17,400 in a very short span. The VIX dropped significantly and the market had to consolidate a bit. So that is the reason that I had expected that 17,400 would be the resistance, and it acted as a resistance as expected, and it took a support around 17,200. So this was a sort of consolidation phase when the market was roughly around 17,300 and 17,300 when the market gapped up and it moved to 17,300. I had to manage my portfolio as I had close to 1% losses, and now currently I'm on profits as the market consolidated. So what I basically did was on my trades was I moved closer to 16,900 and 17,600 CE. So initially when I started the trade, my break-even points were 17,400 and 16,100. As the market moved from 16,500 to 17,400, I had to move once to 17,500 and then to first to 17,500 CE and next to 17,600 CE for safety levels. And I kept on moving my CPs from puts from 16,100. Then you see that I moved to 16,400. Then I moved to 16,600, then 16,800, and now back to 16,900. So this was the sort of moving I was doing to manage this trade. Currently for tomorrow's expiry, I expect that the market would either trade in between this, or in case if it sort of breaks this, I expect market to take support around 17,100 to 17,000. So that should be the range of expiry, and it might just close above or around this range if the markets are quite positive. So we need to see what the market would do if people would like to close up the trades, as Friday is the RBI policy. So based on this, if there is some sort of news that it would go up, then you can see a breakthrough and move towards 17,500, which is nothing but filling up the gap where the market started falling. So there was this big gap from 17,500 to 17,200. So now the market might try to fill up this gap and end at around 17,500. So what my plan for expiry is that I keep this trade. Currently if I continue to hold this trade, by tomorrow I would be earning around 33,000, which is roughly around 0.7%. So I started with a loss of almost 1% on my capital, so 35,000, and I ended up bringing it to 15,000 loss, and now I'm at 18,000 rupees profit as of today on this trade. And tomorrow it would reach somewhere. I hope that it ends somewhere over here. So that's a 35,000 profit. In case if it even goes up, I might have a chance of higher profit. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold the trade for tomorrow's expiry. Usually I do not hold up this trade for the expiry day usually, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna continue hold this up. So as of now my weekly profits are around 18 and 4,000, so that is nothing but 22,000, and I'm having this HDFC put for monthly, and I'm thinking to hold it till the last. And in Bajaj Finance I have something like this, but I might have to close up the CE side if it continues to move up based on RBI policy, which is certainly possible. So I'm currently looking at a weekly profit of 35 to 40,000 and close this weekly. This is a really good profits for me considering that I'm traveling around, and this has been very good consolidation for me, and hope that this consolidation continues all throughout the day. Maybe it's roughly around 30 minutes for the close of the market, and hopefully by the opening hours I might see a profits of around 25 to 30,000 and I would close the trade. So this would continue a very good trend of achieving maybe around 5 lakh plus in span of 4 months or 4.4 months. So this is like on a weekly basis I haven't had a loss in this financial year. If we look at a trade of us starting from April, so there is very few trades which I have gone under loss, and these have very few losses. So technically it looks good for this FI. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye. Tata.